Hey guys, if you've been watching some of my Is Your Sunflower Ready to Harvest video, this is an update of my sunflower, and I think it's truly ready to go now. I think it's ready. I think I waited too long for it. So let's get ready. I'm going to use my professional scissors to cut it. So we're gonna cut it, and here we go. We're gonna harvest today. There we go. It is ready. Then I'm gonna pick up the remainder of the root of the sunflower and plant another sunflower that I have growing. So let's get to it, you guys, okay? So here I have my station set up and my cat. I have to collect the seeds. I have this brown bag here to see if they come up when I show the video, and where I'm gonna another pot I'm gonna plant and let's take it from there. So here we have the pot with the remainder of the stem from the sunflower that we just cut, and I'm gonna try to pull it out, and I got my professional tools here. I'm just joking around, it's just scissors. And so like I said, I have the brown bag here and my plastic bag where I'm going to keep the seeds in. I just use a Sharpie and put harvest sunflower seeds, yellow flower, the year 2025. So that is what we're going to do. And let's get to it, you guys. I hope you guys can see, but here is the sunflower that I have. I'm just going to take off the leaves and the stem, not the stem, the leaves and everything. And I'm just going to put it in this pot for now, and then I'll put the rest in the trash. So I'm just gonna take these off. You guys can hear my cat. She is like, is that cat grass? And I'm gonna cut the big head. And here's the stem. We're just gonna put the stem away. Yeah, the stem is like, it's really, really hard. So now we have the flower head. I wonder if the seeds they're gonna be good, but like I waited for so long. Did I tell you there was a spider out here? So that kind of kept me away. So the seeds are ready. So we're gonna get ready just to do the seeds. So I'm really scared, you guys, because if there's a spider. So, oh, look at them. You guys see? Yeah, oh, they're so huge. So I got a pack. Wow, these are huge. I got a pack of sunflower seeds off of Amazon, and my cat is trying to eat. I got a pack off of Amazon for like $4, right? For a package of seeds. And I think about when I collect them, I don't have to buy no more. So look how these are. I'll show you a close-up. But look, wow, I got so many seeds. This, all you gotta do is, this is what I like to do, is just this. Nothing so complicated. There's no spider in here, so that's good. You won't see me running, because I have my Crocs on, and I was like, I'm gonna run if I have to. See if I can fix the camera for you guys. Can you guys see me? No, you guys still can't. Hashtag newbie YouTuber here. So that is my seeds are like so ready to harvest. I got them flying everywhere. I was trying to see. Yeah. Let's see if you guys, it's just, I have so many, so I'm gonna show you guys. So look at all the seeds that were collected. Isn't that amazing? So now you don't have to go buy no more seeds. So I'm just going to, like I said earlier, I'm just gonna put these in a Ziploc bag, write the year of when I got them, and try to collect some more seeds. Some people like to roast their sunflower seeds and put them in the oven. I'm just gonna keep them and plant some new ones. And I'm gonna make sure I write the name. I don't know the name of the sunflower, but I know it's yellow, and it was just one. It wasn't a multi-hit. So yeah, I can't wait to. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna repot another sunflower. So let's get to it. So now I'm just gonna collect all the seeds and put them inside the Ziploc bag. Can I open up the Ziploc bag with these gloves on? Let's see. I can do it. And there we go. Zip it up. And I gotta remember, don't forget to label. Okay, you guys, so I got the big root out of the sunflower that was growing in this pot, and I'm just gonna discard the rest of it. So right now, I'm just mixing up the soil, like to give a fresh start. I just want to say I'm a newbie gardener, so I may not know everything about gardening. I have a balcony garden, and everything is growing in pots. So, but this has usually always worked for me. I just make sure I refresh the soil by like, mixing it up some more. So I like to share gardening tips, like when I learn something about a flower or something like that. I like to share and share my knowledge. So comment down below if you have a balcony garden or you're just growing flowers in pots. So comment down below, let me know what you got, and let's talk about gardening and give me some gardening tips, and we can share. So I don't mind. So like I said, I'm just mixing it up. Make sure I got like majority of the roots out, and then I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna go. So I have these two options here, this sunflower and this sunflower. So like you guys watch my other videos, I like to save things like this for potting and to transfer over. So this is just an old yogurt cup that I use. I make sure I drill holes in the bottom, and this is where I can start my plants off and everything. And then once they're ready to go, I can repot them in here and maybe start something new. But I gotta show you, look what my cat has done. Like I said, sunflowers are non-toxic for cats, so I'm okay that she bit that one. But look at this one. So this one was just growing in a bigger pot, and look what she did right here. Cupcake, I'm putting you out on blast. So yeah, this one's gonna probably get transferred to another pot too. It is almost December here in Southern California. Yeah. It's almost December here in Southern California. It is November, I forgot the month. So we're gonna have like a week of rain, and so I don't think this is like the best time to grow sunflowers. Like the fall is, the summer and fall, but I'm growing them anyways. I'm like, and it gets like, the temperature doesn't always stay this cold in my part of California. So I'm gonna do that. So we're gonna just move that to the side. I'm gonna have a big mess here, you guys. Do you ever get messy when you garden? Comment down below. If you're gardening, if you don't get dirt in your garden, give me your tips. Because I have dirt everywhere on my patio garden. So I think I'm going to choose this one to repot. This one, and it's like, when I use these, are easy to squeeze and get out the whole stem and everything, and they're reusable. I've been having these for like a long time, and I was like trying to be creative and paint it, but yeah. But I'm gonna start by like digging out a hole for it. And now I'm just gonna repot it and then like put the soil back. And once I get that done, I might water it just a little, not over water it. Let's see if it came out nice. Oh, it came out nice and easy. Look at the stems. the roots. Okay. Yeah. And I'm just making, yep, I'm getting dirty. This is the stem, Tori, and these are the roots. So look at the roots, you guys. And I'm just gonna repot it and watch it grow. So I like to push it in there a little firmly, not like but nice and firmly. And then the dirt that I have over, press, press, press. Gather the rest of the dirt and just put it around there. So, Teacher Tori was like, you know, those are the roots, and this is the stem, and these are the leaves. So yeah, you guys, this is easy gardening. Pots are like really easy. Like I said, gardening is like a good stressor. It really is. Helps with anxiety, stress, and I don't know if you guys know my whole story, but medical journeys and all that, life journeys, gardening, giving thanks to God on a daily have really been helping me, so mentally and physically, because I gotta get my, you know, moving around and stuff. So that is done. I'm going to get some water and get the soil nice and wet. And that is that, you guys. So here we are with the sunflower potted. I put some water in there and I can see the roots are showing, so I'm going to cover those up a little. Yeah, there we go. And that is that. And then I have another sunflower that I'm going to repot and watch it grow. So I hope you guys like this video. We harvest some seeds. Comment down below if you'd like to harvest your seeds as well. And comment down below. I want to know what you're growing as well. Because like I said, gardening is good. It's a good benefit. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm laughing because my cat is trying to grab the camera. It's so funny. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and check out my other gardening videos. I have so many more. I have gardening, decor videos, cat videos. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.